Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Jetta MK6, guys. We're gonna show you how to remove and replace tail light, inner and outer tail light. It will be the same for the other side as well. Stay with us, we're gonna show you now, not very complicated at all. So we'll need to open the trunk, guys, and for the outer tail light right here, we're gonna show you what you will need to do. Right here in the back, there is a, wow, almost fell in the trunk. There is a cap that you need to remove, and after that there is that, okay, you can see that kind of like a plastic screw thing. I don't know what you call that thing. It's on the bolt, it's on the screw. But you go counterclockwise and you unscrew it all the way. Yeah, plastic screw. It's out of there now. And what do we need to do? Grab it with two hands, pull it to the outside a little bit. There is a clip probably there. Okay, came out. And now you just squish in both of them to pull the wire out. One of them is still holding a little bit on the bottom. A little bit inconvenient. Okay, and outer tail light, guys, came out. And now the inner one, I always confuse those outer inner. You need to remove that cap like that. Inside there is, okay, two nuts. Take those off. I don't know why one of them was even so tight. This one's fine. Okay, now we need to bring it down and let's see what else is holding that thing. Okay, nothing, of course, just the wires that we'll need to release, and we probably should have done that on the inside. Maybe we can do it now. And we have the inner light as well, guys, right here. Okay guys, so you just put them back together, same way we took them apart in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so you can help us grow and make more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.